terminal in Gatwick Airport. And we're going to Morocco. Our first travel together. I'll update you guys later. It's so cold. Say hi. See you guys.
Hi, bro.
So, my hands is not so stable. Pero nandito na kami guys sa labas. Lumalabas pala ng airport. So, tapos ayun yung key namin. Tada! Love!
Hello, we're going.
4 hours of flight. We are here in Agadir. At ayan siya. Tulak-tulak na yung mga baggage na natin. At yan. Hello guys! Nandito na kami sa Agadir, Morocco. As you can see on my background over there, it's so nice and warm outside. So, ayun na nga. Nag-withdraw muna kami ng cash para meron kaming cash ng Morocco dirham. And then after that, may sumulubong na sa amin from the hotel. Tapos dinala kami dito sa sasakyan na to na pina-arrange namin sa hotel. So, it's currently 10 a.m. in the morning in Morocco. Hindi siya pagkakaiba sa London, wala siyang difference. So, upon arrival, marami nagbebenta ng SIM card, pero hindi naman kami nag-grab since yung network ko sa UK is gumagana naman dito. Doon magbabayad ako ng extra. Anyway, we're so excited na makarating na sa hotel para makapagpalit, makapag-freshen up kasi ang haggard na namin at wala ba kaming tulog. But anyway, ang ganda ng Agadir. And this is my hubby, Bambang.
Videographer for today.
Yeah. Okay guys, see you
See
in
you.
a bit.
See you guys.
No. Hello guys, me again. At nasa sasakyan pa din kami. Anyway, ako ulit to. I'll see you later. Thank you. This is our hotel. Welcome to our hotel. Hindi ko na na-videohan yung paglabas namin, but this is the waiting area. Kasi kasi sobrang lawak na guys. But anyway, let's cheers! Hello guys! We're back na naman. Nandito na kami sa hotel at I will show you our quick room tour. Ang ganda-ganda niya guys. So, let's go. So, ito yung pinto. Pagpasok nyo, we have this, like, lalagyan na ng mga maleta, ganyan. Tapos, meron kang makikitang salamin. Sliding door where you can put all your stuff as well. Ayan. Ganda niya guys. As in. Tapos, meron kaming vault if you want to secure anything. Meron silang pa coffee machine or area here. Ito yung mga luggage namin. And look at the bed, guys. This is so nice. This is so big. Oh, like, di mo kinaya. Ang ganda niya. Guys, ang ganda niya talaga. Like, amazing. Amazing. Like, amazing. I can't believe. It's so amazing. And also, ito na, ang best part of the tour. Ito yung pinakamaganda. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see this, guys? Oh my God, this is a pool view room. Look at the pool. And sabi nila, mas maganda daw to pag sunset. So, babalik tayo dyan mamayang gabi. Okay, guys? But anyway, welcome to our room and we will enjoy the rest of the day. And we'll see you soon.